Why do certain supplement manufacturers incorporate excipients in their products while others abstain from their use? Excipients are hidden additives introduced during the supplement production process. Despite many documented adverse reactions, their use persists. What drives this persistent choice? The rationale behind the use of excipients is straightforward. It is to prolong shelf life, to facilitate an easier manufacturing process, to operate in an environment that may not demand rigorous cleanliness, ultimately leading to a better bottom line. When producing excipient-free supplements, maintaining an excellent, clean factory environment becomes imperative. The absence of airborne bacteria and moisture is crucial, as any contamination could adversely interact with ingredients, leading to potential issues. Moisture-infiltrating ingredient powders induces clumping, adherence to the machinery surfaces, and eventual equipment obstruction. Further, bacterial and moisture contamination may result in the packaged product reaching the end customer in a compromised state. In environments without pristine air quality, these issues are averted by introducing excipients. Lubricants prevent clumping, adhesion to surfaces, and machinery clogging. Binders and fillers serve a dual purpose by binding to ingredients and extending the shelf life, while also absorbing moisture to prevent bacterial growth inside the capsule. Various excipients, including microcrystalline cellulose, magnesium stearate, lactose, hydroxypropyl cellulose, cross-cumulose sodium, stearic acid, plant cellulose, and calcium carbonate, are used as excipients to preserve supplements and extend their shelf life. Some manufacturers opt for rice powder or sucrose as fillers to absorb the moisture. While these are considered healthier alternatives, they contain sugar and/or carbohydrates, potentially objectionable to some individuals. Tablets are often coated with glucose to enhance the taste. Slow-release capsules are coated with wax or some other water-insoluble materials. In summary, the economic incentive to use excipients is undeniable. The benefits they offer to manufacturers, coupled with the low cost of excipients, make them a tempting choice for supplement manufacturers looking to maximize their bottom line. While the goal of a pristine manufacturing environment without excipients is possible, the practical challenges and the economic considerations often steer manufacturers towards the continued use of these additives. Balancing the pursuit of product quality with the economic realities is a decision that manufacturers must navigate. In South Africa, manufacturers are not legally obliged to disclose the excipients. However, ethical manufacturing practices emphasize the transparency of providing this information. Interestingly, this differs from regulations in other countries where complete disclosure of all supplement ingredients, including the excipients, is mandatory and must be clearly stated on the product label. Thank you for investing your time in this video. Your comments, your likes, subscriptions, and bell hits are highly appreciated. Note that the content presented reflects the perspective and opinions of the original creators. This video is intended for information purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. My name is Anna.